My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe. This is the M Sport Edition. It has done just over 43,000 miles with an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media and radio, communication and navigation, connected drive, my vehicle, and notifications. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between Sport Plus, Sport Mode, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.